Hi everybody, today is the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, and ironically we're picking our last batch of rosé, Pinotage for the rosé wine. The temperatures have been great this year, harvest is looking fantastic. We are about a week and a half later than usual. That's not a problem at all. Everything's in the press, juice is looking good. We've added a bit of dry ice into the press to make sure we don't do any oxidation in the process before fermentation, and once that's in the tank, all that's left is really fermentation to do its job. Very excited about it.